If you're wondering how do you keep networking while also practicing social distancing, then keep watching because we're going to get into it. Shereese here, and I help entrepreneurs grow their networks so they can grow their business. Today we're talking about how do you navigate networking in a world where we have to practice social distancing and really being responsible with our bodies and ourselves. Well, I'm glad you asked. Let's start by talking about what networking really is. When I used to hear the word networking, it kind of made me picture this sleazy salesperson pushing business cards on everybody that they meet and saying, buy my stuff, buy my stuff. And that kind of made me stray away from the whole idea of networking. But in reality, that's not what it is at all. Networking is all about building relationships. And when it comes to building relationships, the most effective way to do that is in person. Unfortunately, we are not going to be in person during this coronavirus crisis, right? We're going to need to have some social distancing. And if you want to know what that is, I filmed a video about that earlier. But the question is, how do we continue to grow our network when we are trying to avoid crowds and meeting other people? Well, the answer, as you may have guessed, is to move your conversation from offline to online. In my conference networking blueprint, I talk about the 4 types of people that you want to meet when you're going to a conference. And even if you're doing this online, there are still 4 types of people that you want to kind of connect with. To find detailed explanations of all of them and a bunch of other tips about how to make the most of your events, go ahead and download my Conference Networking Blueprint Guide using the link below in the description. For the purposes of this video, you want to focus on partners. These are the people that you really want to be connecting with right now. To leverage your relationships, to really grow out your network, and to find a great partner, you need a couple of ingredients. The first ingredient is that your potential partner has a shared audience. So they're serving the same kinds of people that you currently serve or that you will be serving. The second part is that they have shared values, and this is just as important, maybe more important than the first part. If you guys don't click together well, then don't work with that person as a potential partner. Many an entrepreneur and audience have been burned by bad business relationships. The third thing you want to look for is wraparound services that surround your ideal client. For example, if you're a personal trainer and you work on helping people get really strong, fit bodies, some good potential partners could be a nutritionist or maybe a food blogger who can help with the food piece that your clients are working on. Or it could be maybe a productivity coach or someone who can help them make the most out of their day so that they're always setting aside time to prep their food, to eat healthy, and to exercise. The big idea here is that you want to look at your customer's journey. What goals are they trying to achieve? How can you support them? And where can you pull in partners to continue to support them on their journey, either before they get to you, while they're working with you, or after they've moved on from your services? Right now in our current climate, going to a conference is not an option. But what you can still do is join the conversation happening in social media groups. The biggest areas for community are going to be Facebook groups and forums. Now, what you're looking for here may be different from what you're usually looking for as an entrepreneur. A lot of times we can look for groups where our clients or our audience hangs out in order to better serve them. But what I want you to do now is find a group where your potential partners hang out. And these are likely groups that you're doing yourself to grow your business. Jump in those groups, join the conversation, become a part of the community, and avoid making the 3 big networking mistakes that entrepreneurs make on social media. For more on that, check out my recent video. Once you find a potential partner, go ahead and reach out to them. Send them an email or a private message or a direct message to get to know them better and also see if they're open to potentially partnering with you to create something new. Bonus tip. Send your message as a video instead. Videos give you that personal touch. They help the other person really see your personality. And even if it's just a simple 30-second quick thing, it comes across as really special and well thought out. 2 ways to send videos. 1, go ahead and use your social media platform because a lot of them have that functionality. Or 2, send a video message via email. And the way I love to do that is by using this tool called Bonjoro. Bonjoro is so fun and awesome. It connects to your email service provider and then it helps you send videos right through your email. And what's cool about it is there's an app part of it that can be on your phone. But the way I use it is whenever I get a new subscriber, I get a little ping on my app that says, hey, you got someone new. And so I can click that button and shoot a quick video right there saying, hey, so-and-so, welcome aboard, and send it off, and it sends them an email right away with that video. It's really cool, very personalized, very special, highly recommended. And the link is in the description below if you want to get your hands on Bonjoro. So to recap, we have talked about the different types of people that you can meet at conferences, the one type to really focus on, the best place to find them online, and how to reach out and connect in the most personal way. Now, I have a question for you. How do you feel about video calling? Good, bad, or in between? Let me know in the comments below. In the meantime, don't forget that you're just one conversation away from changing your business and changing your life. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Talk soon.